Good morning, guys. I'm back with another video. I'm going to go over this trade that I took here today and go over exactly why it was a banger. It's the best trade probably in the last 2 weeks, just because the market's been so shitty. It's been ranging. But anyways, we came down very heavy at market open. We took out a bunch of higher time frame liquidity, created SMT at the lows, and then we shifted up. So when we see something like that, what am I talking about? We took out this low here, where we're higher high here, and we also a higher high here, lower low here. So that's clear SMT. I then was looking at the 2-minute time frame. We came down, took out this low, came down again. And once this level fails, we're looking for longs in this area because this is the key situation of this entire trade that had me get in the trade. So it's based on structure, not just inversion fair value gaps to get in the trade. So we came down. We had this fair value gap that was created when we took out the liquidity lower. We shifted higher, so we inverted it, which in the past I would have taken that trade to go long, but then we failed it just like this. We failed this gap, and then we took out the low, created the SMT again. So if we were to go bearish, this is what I'm saying to myself in the moment. If we were to go bearish, we would not invert to go higher. Okay? So we inverted this to go higher. Could enter here, but structure's still not ready yet, in my opinion. We came back down, retested, shifted up, made this order block, came up again, retested, inverted this gap in this range. Didn't take out any liquidity yet. Now price, in my opinion, is ready to go long. It is an 80% probability that we are going to reach up towards these internal highs, at least this high, but going towards this high as well. And then potentially higher. So basically, I entered the trade right there based on all those confirmations. The failed bearish PD arrays, the bullish PD arrays being respected, the bullish order block being made, the liquidity and these wicks being taken. Everything is lining up, the SMTs, to target internal range liquidity and potentially Asia and London high up in these areas as well. So I took the trade right here. So I entered the trade right here, anticipating a 5-minute inversion fair value gap. So we're front running this trade in this area. So this candle hasn't closed yet, but we're anticipating this to close. And to give us a better entry, we are taking it on the 1-minute inversion right here. So I took the trade, consolidate a little bit, it's fine. Leave stop below here or even down below here. This is the protected area down below this gap. That should not get traded to if we were going to go bullish. So this is a nice trade in this area here. And then we're taking out internal liquidity, take profit here. And then when ES takes out this high here, creating the SMTs, we close the trade. So basically, you can also look at this. Look at this liquidity here. We inverted this gap, lower low on this wick, higher low on this wick here. See that? That's when, in my live stream, I was ready. I was talking about it when I was recording myself, that this is going to push higher towards this high, and we're going to take out these highs. It's going to rocket right up. So that's why I took my partials. Market was ready to go, so I did that. So now we have SMTs at these lows here, and now I'm looking for potentially higher pricing. So we came down, we took out this internal liquidity here, and now we're bouncing around. Do we push higher towards those highs, or do we just work our way back down lower? So that's why I closed 5 of my 6 contracts. I'm leaving this one open to see if this wants to continue up higher. This is my eval account, but I took it on my funded account, my top step as well. So, and my top step is fully closed out. I didn't hold any runners on that because I take my money and get out just based on these choppy market conditions. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Not financial advice. Love y'all. Peace out.